Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Darien, local and long distance movers near me. If you're waiting to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our skilled movers can help make your long distance move more convenient. We can help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the country. Our moving services provide you all the right choices to customize your move for your particular requirements. Our experts take care of all the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and one-time move and upfront pricing. It might not be easy to reconcile the cost of getting an Illinois moving company. A local moving company offers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You gain the benefit of conserving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. It will also prevent you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. Our skilled movers offer efficiency with every single move. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. We can complete even the biggest move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Darien moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.